Hello guys, and welcome back again here to another episode of Sarah's Kitchen. In today's video guys, we're gonna be marinating chicken. I have my ingredients of today, which are cooking oil, garlic and ginger together, Royco cubes, 3 of them, salt and soy sauce. Yeah, and let's get into it guys. And guys, remember to subscribe, watch and share for those who haven't, so that you get to know when I'm posting another video guys. And sorry I haven't been around, that's why I have not been posting. So from now I will be posting like almost every day, the way I was posting earlier. So guys, first thing first, we are going to add all the ingredients into our chicken, and then we're going to mix them all together with our bare hands, and from there we're going to let it stay for around 1 to 2 hours to let our chicken absorb all the unique flavor. It has been 2 hours guys, and right now my chicken is ready to go to the oven. I'm going to cook 30 to 45 minutes. And my chicken is ready guys. I didn't show you where I was removing from the oven. I forgot it guys. I think it was so yummy such that I couldn't remember. I ate it with ugali and greens, and it was so yummy guys. I recommend you to go and try this recipe, and you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch more videos. I don't take it for granted. Kindly subscribe, watch and share, and we see you in the next one. Bye.